Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to my channel, welcome. On my channel you will find quick and easy plant-based recipes that are absolutely delicious and gluten-free. Today I'm going to be making Mediterranean zoodles. So this is, instead of noodles, we're using zucchini to make zoodles, zucchini that I have spiralized, and it will have a Mediterranean flair. So let's get over to the stove and I'll show you what's cooking. So I've got some water in this skillet and I'm just going to add some garlic. And we're going to let this saute for a couple of minutes. You want a medium-high heat. Now we're going to add some tomatoes, about 3 cups. We're going to let these simmer till they release their moisture. About 5 minutes until they cook down a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And we'll just let these cook a bit. These have cooked down a bit. I'm going to transfer these to a bowl and then set them aside, and we will start on our next round of veggies. So using the same pan, I put a little bit more water in there, and I'm going to add some red pepper, zucchini, yellow squash, some onion, and some mushrooms. And what you want to do is you want to make sure, spread these out as much as you can. We want these to caramelize a bit. And since we're not using oil, it's going to take a little bit longer, but they will caramelize. So you just want them to cook, and you don't want to constantly stir them. Maybe every couple minutes you will stir them. So we're just going to let these go, and I'll see you back in a few minutes. As you can see, these are starting to caramelize. And the reason why you don't want to keep stirring them is that they will just release their moisture if you're constantly stirring them. And that will, just water down this dish. So another couple minutes and we will be ready to continue. As you can see, we're getting some beautiful color on here. So I'm going to add some spices. I've got oregano, smoked paprika, rosemary, sage, thyme, and some red pepper and a little salt. I'll have the exact measurements in the description box. And then we're going to return our tomatoes back to the pan. Give these a stir. Wow, that looks so good. Then we're going to add some fresh spinach. Let this wilt down a bit. At this point, we're going to turn the heat off. We're going to add our spiralized zucchini and some black olives. And we will give this a stir. And we will plate this up and taste. A quick and easy Mediterranean zoodle dish. Boy, talk about eating the rainbow. This is just beautiful. So let's give this a try. Get some of these zoodles on here. Here we go. Wow. This is bursting with flavor. Unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. So good. I mean, the tomatoes and all the squash and the olives and those spices, a little bit of the red pepper flakes, really good. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave your comments below and let me know if you've made any zoodle dishes. I'd love to hear your recipes. Until next time, thank you.